guys, does this ever happen to you? Stick around, I'll show you how to fix it. Or if you have any kind of disability issues, this will help. All right, so your weed eater string broke. Now what do you do? So I have a solution that was $10 on Amazon. I'm gonna unbox it for you here. And this will make it a whole lot easier to start, especially if you have any kind of disability issues with your arms. You're not able to pull as hard or even pull at all. Comes all neat and nice little package. Unbox this here for you. And this was about $10 on Amazon. It's an electric start bit. So if you notice in the back of your weed eater, there is an option that says electric start. Well, this little tool goes right inside this hole. So what you do is you connect it to your drill, and then you stick it right in here. And then crank it over, and it will start up. So we are going to test that right now, see how it works. And this is how you connect the two pieces together. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. So now it just goes on. So it says drill side. So this is the side that goes on the drill, obviously. We're going to see if we can crank it up. So we'll pump this up. So we're going to give this a couple pumps. Got it on. Well, that didn't go as planned. So apparently the electric start does not work, and I looked into the reasons why it didn't work and found out that this piece inside is plastic and it wobbled out. So I ordered a new piece. Unboxing for you here. Did cut it open already. This one is completely made of metal, and I don't think that we're going to have the same issue that we had with this one. So let's get this installed, and hopefully we can use the electric start. These are a star bit that goes in here. Okay, so I got it put back together. Now, you will probably have to use a washer on the screws here. That way it will actually hold tighter, because this is thinner than the frame of this electric start. So I got it all put back together. Now let's see if the tool runs. And that is repaired. So now all we have to do is put everything back together, and now we can start it with the electric drill. And that way we don't have to pull the string anymore. For those that are not able to pull the string, that have a disability or a limitation, that will help them. I'll put all the links to all the equipment that I use in the description, so that way you'll have that for your reference. Thanks for watching. So this is all going to be part of a series that I'm doing for people that have disabilities or limitations that aren't able to use certain types of equipment, and how to be able to use it on your farm and be able to still maintain your property with minimal assistance, so that you can do things for yourself.